How are you?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Doing well.
I'm doing well. How are you? How are you? Are you happy? Do you like this record? Alice, do you like this record?
Yes.
Do you like the maze?
Me.
Do you like Mama?
Yes.
Do you-
That's right.
Do you like Pops?
Right.
Do you like Grandma?
Mama.
Do you like Grandpa?
Papa.
Do you like Nana?
Nana.
Do you like Papa?
Papa.
Do you like Uncle Mike?
I've been back.
The multi-syllables are hard, aren't they? Okay.